Welcome to Bogart for Windows Editing 101. This lesson really has nothing to do with editing in Bogart for Windows. It's to help you understand your PC and what exactly it will help you do when you go to edit in Bogart for Windows. The secret to successful editing in Bogart for Windows is to organize and prepare. The urge will be strong to import your footage directly into a Bogart project like you're used to doing. Don't do that. With videotape, that was and still is an approved process. But now, using the card file footage from your camera, you should get in the habit of creating a new folder for your project. It's fast and easy. And yes, you will have to import the footage into Bogart when you're ready to begin editing. But this new folder will keep your footage safe. Remember, you will no longer have the taped footage as backup. And if you plan on keeping the cards with the original footage, well, that's going to get pretty expensive pretty fast. And they're very difficult to keep organized. Ideally, you need 2 drives in your PC. The Casablanca units, with the exception of the Casablanca 4 Studio Editor, are designed this way. The first drive is your C drive. This is where your programs live. Bogart, Wondershare, Photoshop, Photopea, any program you purchase for use. It is a system folder that cannot be removed and belongs to Windows. You should never add footage files to this C drive. Typically, it's going to be a minimum size and will fill up really fast, causing issues when you go to edit. And it's a painful experience to lose everything when your C drive crashes. The second will be a larger hard drive, anything from 2 terabyte to 6 terabyte, and will become your data drive. This drive will be designated by a separate letter. In fact, any flash drive, thumb drive, hard drive you add via the USB ports will show a different letter designation. The data drive is where you import and store your footage for each individual project, meaning you will create a new folder for each and every project you edit. To create a new folder, you'll see the taskbar at the bottom of your monitor. Left-click on the yellow folder icon. This is File Explorer. You'll see another window open. If not already open, left-click on this PC, the right-facing arrow, and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and locate your data drive. Right-click on the drive designation and highlight the word New and then Folder. Right-click on that new folder and using the rename option, type in your main project name. Use the same method to create as many folders as you need within this main project folder. If you had multiple cameras, you will want a new folder for each card. Don't forget, you can make additional folders anytime should your client send you JPEG images or other files to use within the project. Keep all those subfolders in the main project folder. When editing with Bogart for Windows, you will need a reliable internet connection. You will need to download any and all software related to your Bogart for Windows. You can import any software purchases using a disk or thumb drive, but it's just so much easier to download from the internet and install. You're able to visit Macrosystem or Macromotion and search through the downloads list and actually download the software item you might be interested in purchasing. You can use it in demo mode to see if it's exactly what you wanted before you buy it. That's a great feature. It is highly recommended that if you get an editor or PC with a single hard drive, you invest in at least one larger external hard drive, maybe two, depending on the length of your project. This external drive is where you will put the footage from your camera's SD card, or, with Disk Juggler, can actually work like an extra internal drive. You'll have to remember to safely remove it before shutting down. To avoid damaging your computer, you will need to know how to safely remove any external hardware you've plugged in, such as thumb drives, SD cards, an external hard drive. They all need to be safely removed from your PC. Go to the right side of your taskbar at the bottom of your monitor. You will see an upward-facing arrow. Click on that arrow, and a little pop-up window will appear. You'll want to find the icon. Click on that. Click on the item. You'll notice it will disappear, and then you can remove it from your PC. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button below. If you have any questions about this video, and if there is a video that you'd like to see in the future, you can leave a message in the comments section, or send me an email at bkgrammy2@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.